Hello, TGIF, Dr. PK here. And in this video, I am going to talk about gut microbiota. I I think, posted several videos about gut microbiome, gut health, how important it is. It is a very important part of your health. If the gut is not doing well, if gut does not have good balance of bacteria, you're going to develop all kinds of metabolic problem. And metabolic problem means you name it, from pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, diabetes, chronic pain, arthritis, weight gain, obesity, all kinds of stuff, immune dysfunction, depression and anxiety, all kind of stuff. So if you take care of your health, if you take care of your gut, you will be healthy. And that's why they're just saying you are what you eat. So if you eat healthy, balanced, you're gonna be healthy and everything gonna be balanced. So this is a follow-up on, I want you guys to have better understanding of gut microbiota and understand what you eat and drink every day, how it affects your gut, and then your health. So gut microbiota consists of trillions of microorganisms, trillions. You're talking about, 20 to 25 trillions. They include bacteria, fungi, viruses that live in the digestive system. And the diversity and the balance of this microorganism play a crucial role in maintaining health, both physical health and mental health. Certain bacteria in particular are crucial for digestion. Certain bacteria are crucial for immune function, and certain bacteria are crucial for metabolism and even mental health. So imbalances or an overgrowth of certain microorganisms can indicate health condition and disease. So I'm going to give you overview of gut microbiota and what they do for health and how their predominance or lack thereof can indicate certain diseases. So key gut bacteria and their roles. Number one is Firmicutes. Firmicutes, Firmicutes. Role. Firmicutes are a large group of bacteria involved in breaking down complex carbohydrates, which is fiber, and producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which are crucial for gut health. They also play a role in energy metabolism and fat storage. Beneficial bacteria, Lactobacillus and Clostridia. Lactobacillus supports digestion, produces lactic acid to inhibit pathogenic bacteria. Clostridia produces butyrate, which helps maintain the intestinal barrier and reduces inflammation. Associated diseases, if there's high Firmicutes, excessive amount of Firmicutes are often linked to obesity. They are efficient at extracting energy from blood and promoting fat storage. Low Firmicutes may be linked to malnutrition and digestive disorder. Bacteroides. So bacteroiditis, their role as a group is to help digest complex carb as well and proteins, particularly from plant-based food. They also contribute to short-chain fatty acid production. So beneficial bacteria, Bacteroides and Prevotella, Prevotella. Bacteroides important for digesting protein and complex carb. Prevotella help digest fiber and plant-based polysaccharide. Associated diseases, high Bacteroides often linked to healthy weight and good metabolic function. They are also prevalent in individuals on plant-based diets. Low Bacteroides may be associated with obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. Actinobacteria role. Actinobacteria are involved in breaking down plant fibers and producing beneficial metabolites. These bacteria play essential role in gut immunity and preventing infection. Beneficial bacteria in this class is called Bifidobacterium. Bifidobacterium, known for its ability to digest fiber and produces beneficial short-chain fatty acid that promotes gut health. Associated disease, low actinobacteria or Bifidobacterium, a lack of this beneficial bacteria is linked to immune dysfunction, digestive issues, and chronic inflammation. Proteobacteria role. Proteobacteria are a diverse group of bacteria, and they are involved in the metabolism of nutrients and compounds within the gut. While they are essential for in a small amount, overgrowth can lead to problem. A beneficial bacteria out of that in a small amount is E. coli. High proteobacteria and overgrowth of proteobacteria can indicate dysbiosis, which is microbial imbalance, inflammatory bowel disease, IBS, gut inflammation, and even food sensitivities. Low proteobacteria generally not a concern, but a complete absence may impact glucose defense, gut defense mechanism. Fusobacteria. The fusobacteria role. Fusobacteria are involved in digesting proteins and carbohydrates and play a role in development of intestinal inflammation. They are typically not beneficial, but they are part of microbial community. If there's a high amount of fusobacteria, an increase in fusobacterium can be associated with colorectal cancer, or some strains may promote inflammation and tumor growth. Verrucomicrobia. Verrucomicrobia, Verrucomicrobia. Verrucomicrobia, including a species like Akkermansia muciniphila. They play a key role in breakdown of mucus layer in the intestine, which helps maintain integrity of gut lining. Beneficial bacteria is Akkermansia muciniphila. This species is linked to improving intestinal permeability, reducing leaky gut, supporting immune system, and promoting healthy metabolism. If it's low in number, low level means there's a high chance of obesity and diabetes and inflammatory bowel disease. So increasing the levels of Akkermansia through diet or probiotics may improve metabolic health. Bifidobacterium role. Bifidobacterium are some of the first colonizers of the human gut, and they're vital for digestive health and immune function. There's a Bifidobacterium longum, and there's a Bifidobacterium bifidum. And if there's low in amount, they're often seen in patients with irritable bowel syndrome and people with chronic digestive problem, autoimmune disease, and allergic condition. So supplementing with the Bifidobacterium can help improve gut flora, balance, and digestion. Gut health markers. There are inflammatory markers, CRP, calprotectin. Elevated levels indicate inflammation like IBD, IBS. Jonulin shows a higher level of jonulin indicate leaky gut. And they're linked to autoimmune disease, food sensitivities, and chronic inflammation. Short-chain fatty acid, decrease in short-chain fatty acid, which is produced by beneficial bacteria, can be linked to gut inflammation, IBD, and digestive disorder. Lactulose and mannitol ratio, a high ratio can indicate intestinal permeability or leaky gut. So this video is meant to educate you about different bacteria and their role and what it means when they're high or low. What are the beneficial bacteria, what are not. And I'm going to have a follow-up video about in more details about different kind of tests it should be done and what kind of supplementation you should take and what you should look for when you're taking probiotics, because not all probiotics are same. So that's going to be another video as part of my education for you guys. So watch for that video. Thank you for watching.